friend. Today we'll look at how to use the LW software. First, connect your device to WhatsApp. Click on Add Device and enter your device's name. Then click Create Device. As soon as you create a device, a box will appear. Then click on Show QR code. Scan this QR code with your WhatsApp account and log in. How do you do that? Click on the three dots and click on Link Device. Then Link Device will appear. Click on Connect your device. Once connected, your device will appear as Corpoho. Then your number will appear. After that, if you want to create your own template, you can create one. You can create a template in the Create Template section. You get all the features, including the message button and the cross message button. I created one named after a hotlet. After that, you need to add your contact. How do you add a contact? In the software, click on contact and create a new group. I'll create a group named after a hotlet. I'll make it red so I can tell them it's hot. You can also change the, then we'll create it. This hotlet has been created. We'll open it. After opening it, you have three options: add manually, copy, paste, XML, and import. You can do all three. So I'll copy and paste. The number should appear in one line. I already have my Excel sheet open. I'll copy all the numbers. Then I'll paste them here and then add the contact to the group. As soon as I click add contact to group, all my numbers are there. They've been verified. If they're not verified, if they're invalid, you'll have to verify them by clicking verify in WhatsApp. After that, they'll appear in bulk message. After coming to bulk message, we will create campaign. There is an option of create campaign here. We will create campaign. Here we write the campaign name. We will connect a WhatsApp session hotlet here. The template which I created with the name of hotlet. Then we will select that hotlet here. Then we will delete the name option here because we have not given the name. If you want to give the name, you can give that also. After that, you will come down and you can schedule it in your schedule type. You can send it immediately also. Below here, we will tell you the delay setting later. Right now, I'm keeping it 510 because I do not have many contacts. I have only 14 contacts. I will show you by sending it to them. And do not change these three settings. After that, you select the contact group you just created as a hot lead. After clicking here, it says some create and send. As soon as you click create and send, you'll see that your campaign is already running. I'll also show you on WhatsApp whether WhatsApp is running or not. So look, this is my first message. I mean, it went through this software. I'll open it and show you. This is the first message. Then let's wait for the second message. Look, the second message has arrived. Here, the second message has arrived. Look, the second message has also arrived. So in this way, something continues here. So look here, it's in working mode. Right now it's running. Look, it'll take barely 5 minutes. And because I've set the delay setting to 5 to 10 minutes, this is safe for you. Then it's even safer than this 11 to 30. You can send unlimited messages. Unlimited means, as I'll show you. I send a lot of messages through this software. If you look at Lead Web here, as of yesterday, all of them was sent through this software. I'll show you more. Beyond Lead Web, I'll also show you a few more. There are many contacts in New Lead here to whom I've sent messages through the software. All messages you see are all sent through this software. Look at this, the messages start going here. Look, it's about to complete here. So in a few seconds, your message completes. For example, I'll show you where it started and how much it started. It started at 28. After starting at 28, your message reached here, and I think it's 13 messages now. 30 means 28 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes the same time average. Suppose you're sending 15 messages in 5 minutes. So you can use this. You can use that too with the with button. Then your reply also comes here for the demo. In this way, like he just replied to the demo, I got the demo. If I were to talk about features, you get a lot of things in this. For example, you get a warmer here, you can connect one or two numbers and make them talk to each other, get an opt-out manager, auto reply, chatbot, corresponder, follow-up, recall bot, live chat are also shown. Here you can get a message group. If you want to export from your group or do not want to do it by numbers or communication, you can do that too. You can create a group and manage groups. You can add members to the group. You get many features. So the price of the software is not high. The software costs only 600 euros. If you're interested, you can buy it. You can chat with us at the number in our description.